Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook private. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application, and then you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you simply need to click on settings. Here you need to scroll down and here you can see audience and visibility. The first step you simply need to click on profile details, and here you can change that to only me. From here, as you can see that my all detail is only me. And the next step you simply need to go and click on how people find and contact you, and here you can see who can send you friend request. You can change privacy here to friends of friend. Who can see your friend list, you can select only me here. And the next step, who can look up using the email address you provide, so it is only me, so I make all the details to only me. Then the next step, you simply need to go on to the post, and here you can see who can see your future post, so you can make it to only me as well. And limit passport, so if you want you can do that as well. And you can make the privacy of stories as well from here. Okay, and after that you are going to make the privacy of reels as well. So this is the process by which you can make your Facebook account private. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.